Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Now let's start current affairs capsule, daily current affairs, September, day 23. Recently reported which country will host 2026 Commonwealth Games. हाल ही में रिपोर्ट के अनुसार किस देश में 2026 राष्ट्रमंडल खेलों की मेजबानी होगा. So name of the country is Scotland. Scotland will host 2026 Commonwealth Games after Victoria dropped its hosting commitment last year. Okay, and the Scottish city, that is Glasgow, will host the 2026 Commonwealth Games. Okay, तो पहले होना था ऑस्ट्रेलिया में अभी नहीं होगा. ये कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स 2026 के कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स होस्ट करेगा स्कॉटलैंड. Recently, India has defeated which team to win the 8th Men's Asian Hockey Champions Trophy? हाल ही में भारत ने 8th पुरुषों के एशियाई हॉकी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी जीतने के लिए किस टीम को हराया? So name of the country is China. India defeated China. The 8th Men's Asian Champions Trophy 2024 was held in this time in China from 8 to 17 September. Okay, and the Indian men's hockey team led by the Harmanpreet Singh and defeated host country China. Okay, and in the final Jugraj Singh scored the only winning goal of the match in the last 51 minutes. Okay, so name of the country is China. India defeated China in China. Okay. Recently, Chess Olympiad 2024 is being organized by which country? हाल ही में शतरंज ओलंपियाड 2024 किस देश द्वारा आयोजित किया जा रहा है? So name of the country is Hungary. The 45th Chess Olympiad is an international team chess event organized by the International Chess Federation, that is FIDE, FIDE, and in Budapest, Hungary from 10 to 23rd September. Okay, so name of the country is Hungary. Hungary organized Chess Olympiad 2024 from 10 to 23rd September. As per the information recently, who has been appointed as head coach of the Indian national women's football team? हाल ही में समाचार के अनुसार किसे भारतीय राष्ट्रीय महिला फुटबॉल टीम के प्रमुख कोच के रूप में नियुक्त किया गया? नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज संतोष कश्यप. ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशन AIFF on 16 September appointed Santosh Kashyap as the new head coach of the national senior women's team. Okay, and he replaced Shobha Devi, a former international player. Okay, so Santosh Kashyap has been appointed as the head coach of the Indian national women's football team. Recently, which country has committed $202 million in aid to Bangladesh? हाल ही में किस देश ने बांग्लादेश को सहायता में $202 million के प्रतिबंध किया है? So name of the country is USA, United States of America. United States is committed to provide $202 million in aid to Bangladesh for their growth, institution building and development. This commitment follow as a $5 billion aid appealed by Bangladesh Nobel laureates Muhammad Yunus. Okay, so name of the country is USA has committed $202 million in aid to Bangladesh. Recently, who was appointed as brand ambassador for the Union Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways? हाल ही में केंद्रीय बंदरगाह, शिपिंग और जलमार्ग मंत्रालय के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर के रूप में किसे नियुक्त किया गया? हर नेम इज मनु भाकर. द यूनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ पोर्ट्स, शिपिंग एंड वाटरवे अपॉइंटेड Manu Bhaker, a double Olympic medalist shooter, as its brand ambassador. This was announced by the Union Minister Sarvanand Sonowal during an event in Chennai, Tamil Nadu on 17 September. Okay, so her name is Manu Bhaker, was appointed as a brand ambassador of the Union Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Recently, Armenia has asked which country to help upgrade its air force. हाल ही में आर्मेनिया ने पूछा है किस देश ने अपनी वायुसेना को अपग्रेड करने में मदद की है. सो नेम ऑफ द कंट्री इज इंडिया. आर्मेनिया ने इंडिया से हेल्प मांगा है फॉर देयर अपग्रेड एयरफोर्स सिस्टम. Armenia, which has fought two wars with Azerbaijan and since the collapse of Soviet Union, is seeing India's help to upgrade its small fleet of Russian-built Su-30SM fighter jet aircraft. Okay, so Armenia has asked India to help upgrade its air force. Recently, where was the second edition of नाडा इंडिया इंक्लूशन कॉन्क्लेव हेल्ड? हाल ही में नाडा इंडिया समावेश सम्मेलन का दूसरा संस्करण कहाँ पर आयोजित किया गया था? प्लेसेस न्यू दिल्ली. ओके, द सेकेंड एडिशन ऑफ नाडा इंडिया इंक्लूशन कॉन्क्लेव वॉज हेल्ड इन न्यू दिल्ली ऑन 18 September 2024. Okay, NADA, that is the National Anti-Doping Agency, was set up on 24 November 2005 by the Government of India under the Union Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Okay, so it first time set up in 2005. Okay, and so New Delhi was the second edition of the NADA India Inclusion Conclave held in New Delhi. As per the news, which country along with Pakistan is one of the last two country where polio remains endemic? खबरों के अनुसार पाकिस्तान के साथ किस देश के पिछले 2 दशकों में से एक ही जगह पोलियो स्थानिक है? सो नेम ऑफ द कंट्री इज अफगानिस्तान. Polio remains endemic in 2 countries, Afghanistan and Pakistan, until polio virus transmission is interrupted in these countries. All countries remain at risk of importance of polio. Okay, so अभी तक पोलियो पाकिस्तान एंड अफगानिस्तान में एंडेमिक कंडीशन में है. Recently, who was appointed as the brand ambassador of the Shriram Finance Limited? हाल ही में श्रीराम फाइनेंस लिमिटेड के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर के रूप में किसे नियुक्त किया गया? नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज राहुल द्रविड़. मुंबई बेस्ड श्रीराम फाइनेंस लिमिटेड announced on the boarding of Rahul Dravid as its brand ambassador, and its headquarter in Chennai. Okay, and it was founded on 5th April 1974. Okay, so Rahul Dravid was appointed as brand ambassador of the Shriram Finance Limited. Now it is a quiz question. इसका आंसर आप लोगों को कमेंट सेक्शन में करना होगा. Recently, who is the first Pakistani woman to become an international cricket umpire? हाल ही में एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय क्रिकेट अंपायर बनने वाली पहली पाकिस्तानी महिला कौन है? These are the option: सलमा खान, सलीमा इम्तियाज, रेवा खातून, सुरैया रहमान. इसका आंसर आप लोगों को कमेंट सेक्शन में करना होगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब साइंस एक्सप्रेस. थैंक यू.